It's a quick scalp.
Yeah, I'm getting out of Apple. It's just...
Wow, SPY just took a bit of a dump there.
Yeah.
What
Getting
is
out of
the...
Apple. Still going for this stock.
Oh boy.
All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Andrew, I'm back from 2 weeks of travel, Spain, Portugal, and London and Scotland. I had a really good time. Barcelona, went up to Baga, did a trail running race there. It was a really amazing experience. Came back to Barcelona, went to Lisbon. I loved Lisbon, amazing city. That was actually one of the coolest city I've ever been. I was actually seeing myself live in Lisbon, and then drove up to Porto. Really amazing. Then fly to London, meet with a lot of traders. In a short time, there almost 40 people showed up in such a short notice. People flew from Germany to come for a meetup, driving down from Oxford and northern part, and it was just really amazing. So thank you so much for everyone who came. And then I went to Scotland, to Edinburgh, I think, yeah. They spell it differently, but they say Edinburgh, yeah. They spell it differently, but they pronounce it differently. So today for me, it started really bad. Just Apple really gave me a hard time. Eventually, AMD gave us a really amazing opportunity. AMD was the only stock that was really strong during the day. Amazing 5-minute opening range breakup. I completely missed it. Really amazing 5-minute opening range breakup. I did try to buy on pullback. It wasn't really successful, but eventually I did an ABCD pattern on it around 10 o'clock, popped up for the break of 109. And after that, it really held above the VWAP, really nice consolidation. And I just went long at around 108, put a stop loss below the VWAP, and the next bounce I added more, and after that it was just explosion toward 110. Right now I'm still in there. I have a big position on it still, and I think that we are getting to 110. I was hoping to get to a 920 trade out of it, and as you know, the 920 trade, Brian and I did a webinar on that. So strongest stock, a pullback to this 20 moving average on the 2-minute chart can be a potential buy. So I already added some, but I'm hoping to actually can get a little bit more to get to the next pop. So I'm still long profitable. My average is at 108.80, so that's my average kind of here. So until it comes around here, I'm in really good situation, and I can actually add into my position as well. I think it has the potential to go higher. Apple was the trade that I lost money on it. Unfortunately, gave a really hard time to me. Although at the open I took a short on it, but I tried to catch a reversal on it, and it really gave me a hard time. So just quickly to tell you what I did. Apple was the earning yesterday. They had some issue with the chips for iPhone 13. That's why their sales are so low. Sold off at the open. I went short, covered to 140, and then I tried to do two more shorts. Actually, I did 3 shorts on it. None of them really get the breakout that I was expecting to get. You know, as soon as I got, this was the breakout that I was really expecting to get, but I just didn't trade it well. So I made money on the short. Oh yeah, definitely. But then I tried to catch a reversal, and then I lost on it, unfortunately. So, you know, that was a reversal when it bounced back on a 5-minute chart. I tried to go short to the VWAP. I got stopped out. I tried to go one more time. I got out with a little bit of loss, and I tried again, and I got out at the break even. Eventually did bounce back to the VWAP. But the problem with Apple was a stock that was really weak on the daily chart, bad news, and every reversal was really hard to get. And as you see on a 5-minute chart, turned out to be really choppy. But AMD, thanks to AMD, I had a really nice and solid day. Or AMD did the 920 trade. I'm going to add a little bit more on AMD here and see how it's going to get. I added, that would have been a really good add. So that was my day. So how was yours, Brian? You tell me.
Oh, mine was really good. I traded DATS a couple times, even though it turned into a bit of a dog's breakfast as it sold off, but got it at the pre-market for a pop and then got it through 17. And then I shorted CRSP at the open. It did drop. I got a buck out of it for more than half, but then it came back up to my break even and I got out of it. Actually, I should have flipped my position, but it still managed to make some money on that. Then I traded BBig through $7. And
AFRM, you had a really nice AFRM was
yeah,
this.
Yeah, and I've just been sitting with AFRM since it broke out. AFRM's just been one of those stocks. It's just been on a tear. So I had it on a watch list just because it's been so strong on the daily. And still holding some shares right now, but I got it at 143.80 as it broke out, as it just started to break out there. So that now I'm still in some TNA, and the IWM's buying brigade came back in. I'm still sitting along with that, and yeah, that's my day.
Yeah, that's
So still
amazing.
long some firm, and still long some TNA.
Excellent. Yeah, that was a really, really, really
Yeah.
nice. Thank you so much, guys. I'm still AMD. As you see, I tried to do this this 920 trade, and it did work. As you see, there would have been a really nice buying opportunity popped up. I'm still holding. My average is at 108.90. So if you get below 109.90, I get to stop that. But I think it has the room to go to 110. So I'm gonna hold that as well. And yeah, it turned out to be a really, really, really nice day for us. Well, thank you so much,
Good
guys.
day.
Good day. So sorry about missing a couple of days trading. You know, sometimes I have this debate that do I want to always stay and trade and make money and stuff, or you want to really, I want to really enjoy and see the world and culture and travel and stuff. And it's just, you know, there is a moment that you really want to do what you gotta do and what you love to do. So for me, trading has reached out to the point that I really want to sometimes go, and you know, at the end of in November I want to do a big expedition in Nepal, climb Mount Amadablam, which is a holy mountain in Nepal. So that might be you know, a kind of 2 weeks on enough trading over there, but I think it's worth it for me. That serves my soul, and that's what I really want to do in life. Other than that, yeah, so let's see what AMD is getting to 110 or not. I still have 4,000 shares on AMD. I want to see if you can get to that 110. That would be really nice if you can get there. If not, guys, tonight, I think we have creative webinar tonight. And we have the Peak Capital mentorship session right now. I'm going to join quickly. And yeah, see you all tomorrow morning in the chat, guys. Thanks, Brian.
See you. Have a good rest of the day, everybody.
Cheers.